Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to Android phone. To connect, you can firstly turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Then after you can install the DJI Mimo application. Okay, this app will be not available in App Store or Google Play Store. So to install it, you can open the DJI website, and then after here you can select your device. You can firstly open the DJI Mimo download center, and after that you can tap on this device to install the APK, and then once you extract, then the app will be installed. After that you can open this application. Once you open, here you can tap on this camera button at the center. You can tap on this camera button. You will see, once you tap here, it will ask you to enable the Bluetooth. So you can enable the Bluetooth. Once you enable, it will finding the nearby devices. And then here you will see it will find my Osmo Pocket 3 3D4. You can tap on connect. And once you tap on connect, you can accept and then verify the code. And then once you tap on connect, your device will be start connecting. Okay. And now it will ask you to do some settings. So here it will ask for a confirmation. Yes, I want to connect. One step, here you will see now my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 will be successfully connected with the Android device. Also, you will see now I can easily access its all photos and videos. Okay, you will see here. Now, once I record anything or once I go to album, here you will see my all photos and videos are available that I shoot on the Pocket 3. And now once I again shoot another video, after that, you will see after some time it will also available here. Once I refresh it here, you will see. Now here it will edit. So here is how you can easily connect the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to the Android phone. Goodbye.